Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will explore the fascinating world of ginseng and its health benefits. Ginseng is a medicinal plant with a long history of use in traditional medicine, and today it has become increasingly popular due to its unique properties. Join us as we discover how you can make the most of this powerful root and how to use it safely and effectively. Start. Ginseng is a medicinal plant widely used in traditional Chinese medicine and other Eastern cultures. It has a long history of use and is believed to offer a variety of health benefits. Improves cognitive function. Ginseng has been used for centuries to improve brain function and memory. It is believed that certain components of ginseng, such as compounds called ginsenosides, may have positive effects on cognitive function. These compounds can promote the release of neurotransmitters and increase cerebral blood flow, which improves concentration, focus, and learning ability. Regulates blood sugar. Some studies suggest that ginseng may have beneficial effects on regulating blood sugar levels. It has been observed that the ginsenosides present in ginseng can improve insulin sensitivity, which helps regulate glucose levels in the body. This can be especially helpful for people with type 2 diabetes or those who have difficulty controlling their blood sugar levels. Strengthens the immune system. Ginseng has been associated with improving the immune system. The ginsenosides present in ginseng may have immunomodulatory properties, meaning they can help regulate the immune system's response and strengthen its ability to fight infection and disease. In addition, ginseng contains antioxidants that can protect the body against free radical damage, which can weaken the immune system. Increases energy. Ginseng is known for its ability to increase energy and reduce fatigue. The ginsenosides present in ginseng can stimulate the central nervous system and increase energy production in cells. This can help improve physical and mental endurance, making it a popular choice among athletes and people who need an energy boost in their daily lives. Protection against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a process that can damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. Ginseng contains antioxidants, such as ginsenosides and polysaccharides, which can help fight oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals and protecting cells from damage. This can have positive effects on overall health and contribute to healthy aging. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginseng contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, such as ginsenosides. These compounds may help reduce inflammation in the body by inhibiting the production of certain inflammatory mediators. This can be beneficial for people suffering from chronic inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis, by reducing inflammation and relieving associated symptoms. Reduces stress and improves mood. Ginseng has long been used to relieve stress and improve mood. It is believed that ginsenosides may have adaptogenic effects, meaning they can help the body adapt and better resist physical, mental, and emotional stress. This can result in reduced stress levels, a greater sense of calm, and an overall improvement in mood. Improves sexual function. Ginseng has historically been valued as a natural aphrodisiac. It is believed that it can improve sexual function and libido in both men and women. Some studies have found that ginseng can help improve erectile dysfunction in men by increasing blood flow to the genitals. In addition, it has been observed that ginseng can increase sexual satisfaction in women by improving desire and arousal. Support for the cardiovascular system. It has been suggested that ginseng may have beneficial effects on cardiovascular health. Some studies have found that ginsenosides can help regulate blood pressure, promoting healthier values. In addition, ginseng can help lower LDL, bad, cholesterol levels and increase HDL, good, cholesterol levels, which can contribute to an overall healthier heart. Improves endurance and physical recovery. Ginseng has been traditionally used to improve physical endurance and speed up recovery after exercise. The ginsenosides present in ginseng can help increase energy production in muscle cells, resulting in increased work capacity and reduced muscle fatigue. In addition, it has been observed that ginseng can speed muscle recovery by reducing exercise-induced damage and inflammation. Supporting digestive system health. Some research suggests that ginseng may help improve the health of the digestive system. It has been observed that the ginsenosides present in ginseng can stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, thus improving digestion and absorption of nutrients. In addition, ginseng may have anti-inflammatory properties in the gastrointestinal tract, which can relieve inflammation and promote optimal gut health. Ginseng can be used in various ways, both in supplement form and in its natural form. Here are some common ways to use ginseng. Ginseng tea. You can prepare ginseng tea using dried ginseng root. Simply boil water, add a few slices of ginseng root, and let it boil for a few minutes. Then, strain the liquid and enjoy hot or cold ginseng tea. You can sweeten it with honey if you wish. Ginseng supplements. Ginseng is available in the form of capsules, tablets, liquid extracts, and powders. These supplements typically contain standardized ginseng extract that provides a concentrated dose of ginseng's active compounds. Follow the dosage instructions on the supplement package or consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage for you. Ginseng powder. Ginseng is also available in powder form, which can be added to smoothies, juices, or foods. This allows you to easily incorporate ginseng into your daily diet. Remember that although ginseng is considered generally safe for most people, each individual is different and may react differently to herbal supplements. As for the contraindications and possible side effects of ginseng, here are some important points to keep in mind. Drug interactions. Ginseng may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, diabetes medications, and immunosuppressive medications. It can increase or decrease the effectiveness of these medicines. If you are taking any medications, it is important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist before you start taking ginseng to avoid unwanted interactions. High blood pressure. Ginseng can raise blood pressure in some people. If you have high blood pressure or cardiovascular disease, you should consult your doctor before taking ginseng to make sure it's safe for you. Sleep disorders. Ginseng can have a stimulating effect and increase energy, which can make it difficult to sleep in some people. If you have difficulty falling asleep or suffer from insomnia, avoid taking ginseng in the hours around bedtime. Allergies. Some people may be allergic to ginseng. If you experience allergy symptoms, such as rash, itching, shortness of breath, or swelling, you should discontinue the use of ginseng and seek medical attention. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. The safety of ginseng use during pregnancy and lactation has not been established. Therefore, it is recommended that pregnant or nursing women avoid ginseng consumption to avoid possible adverse effects on the fetus or baby. And there you have it, everything you need to know about ginseng and its beneficial uses. From improving cognitive function and strengthening the immune system to reducing stress and improving sexual function, ginseng offers a wide range of health benefits. Remember that, although ginseng is generally safe, it is important before you start taking it to be especially aware if you have any medical conditions or are taking medications that may produce adverse effects. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more content about wellness and health. See you in the next video.